Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened flat. After opening flat for the next 45 minutes, market was just under consolidation, trapping both call option and put option buyers. Even in Bank Nifty, after opening flat, Bank Nifty was just consolidating within a range for quite some time. Later, moved towards the upside, gave a fake breakout, then reversed. If you remember in our yesterday analysis video, in the thumbnail also I had said panic sellers will be trapped from 9:15 to 10:30 a.m. We had discussed about important levels in yesterday's video. Now early morning in our private telegram group, somewhere around 9:17, I had discussed about important resistance and support level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you open Bank Nifty chart, market faced resistance at the upper level, moved towards the downside. Nifty also respected the resistance, formed a double top and it moved towards the downside. At 9:45, I shared this particular video in our private telegram group. I had discussed about an important setup where I said in Bank Nifty, people have applied long straddle. There is a possibility that market will hold on to this range for quite some time. Later, if it breaks the upper level, we know what is the resistance from where Bank Nifty can move towards the downside, and by chance Bank Nifty moves towards the downside. From the supporting area we can expect a reversal. As long as Bank Nifty goes above 52,000 level and sustains above that, only then we will be looking for call option trade. Below that, only reversal setup. While speaking about Nifty also, I said if Nifty goes above close to 24,500, consolidates, gives a breakout, then with small stop loss we'll be looking for call option trade because many call option writers are sitting at 25,000 level. If this kind of setup is not available, then we can expect a reversal from 0.618 level of Fibonacci, and at the current zone planning for any kind of trade is not a good idea because at this point of time market is bit confusing. It can trap yes here. Both of these videos have lot of useful information related to price action, stop loss hunting and trade psychology. I have forwarded this video to our free telegram channel also. I would highly recommend you to go and check it out. If you're not joined the free telegram channel, you can scan this QR code. Link is also provided in the description box below. When Nifty moved towards the upside at 0.618 level, I said please be careful here because I expected market to correct from this area because there's no stop loss hunting level on top. But I personally feel artificially they push the market towards the upside just to attract more buyers before they exit. In Bank Nifty also, I said please be careful at this resistance area. My expectation was Bank Nifty can go at least up to 51,550 level. Later I noticed that call option sellers were adding huge position at 51,500 level. They feel it is a very strong resistance. That is the main reason I believe at the zone market made a quick momentum towards the upside, removed all the call option writers who sold 51,700 call option, made them exit from the market. Later market reversed. Especially today, even though we have marked important resistance and support level and we know where we can expect a reversal setup, still our entry would have been confusing because sometimes at this zone should we enter a put option trade or at this zone. In Nifty also, reversal was expected here, but unnecessarily the market went little higher and it just came and closed exactly near where it opened today. So this extra move in the market was just to attract more buyers before the fall. Usually when there is any important event on the upcoming day, that is when market might tend to rise or correct. For example, let's say today night if Fed chairman was speaking, based on the market sentiment, people would have pushed the market little lower so that if it is a good news, they have space to move. The same thing if they are feeling Fed chairman is not going to cut the interest rate. Artificially, they will push the market towards the upside so that they have enough space to move towards the downside. Fed chairman meeting is scheduled tomorrow. That's on Wednesday. But one day before itself, artificially they have pushed the market towards the upside and corrected. So today's market was a bit tricky. Now let's quickly see what kind of trading opportunities we have for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Bank Nifty 5 minutes time frame. To save time, I've already marked some important levels on the chart. I marked this level here because continuously it is acting as good support, and this zone you can see is acting as a good resistance. In yesterday analysis video also, if you remember, at this zone I said Bank Nifty has more potential to move towards the downside. After attracting some buyers, market can give a false breakout, later it can correct. The same thing has happened in the market today. Now this zone what you're looking at, this is a very important zone. As long as market is consolidating within this zone, for many retail traders it would be best to not plan for any kind of trade. But good trading opportunities we will have when market moves to this upper zone, 51,900, consolidates here, attack more put option buyers at this resistance. Once we get a breakout here with small stop loss, we can look for call option trade where market has good potential to move towards the upside. Now, why do I say this level is important? Always I've been telling you the importance of using Fibonacci. From swing high to swing low, if you draw the Fibonacci level, at what area did Bank Nifty reverse? Near 0.618 level. When market was moving towards the upside, where did it take support? Near 618 level, where we saw a trend reversal. As of now, Bank Nifty is in a range where there is indecision. This area is our indecision range. In case market opens with a gap down here, moves towards the downside, comes to this support. Slowly, if Bank Nifty moves towards the upside, many people who entered here, or if they're holding their position, they will book their profit and exit. Looking at this support, many people might consider to enter a call option trade looking at the previous movement. Later point of day, if market breaks the day's low with small stop loss, we'll be looking for put option trade where Bank Nifty has good potential to move towards the downside. It's the next target area of 51,000. If this area is achieved, a lot of put option writers are sitting here. It will create panic for them and we can see a bigger momentum here also. So patiently avoiding trade here is better. But at this support, if market tests and moves towards the downside with small stop loss, looking for a put option trade would be a good idea because market has good range to move towards the downside. In case market opens with a gap up between this box, it is better that we avoid any kind of trade and wait until market goes above 51,900. Here, if we get any consolidation breakout, then market has more chance of trapping call option writers at the upper level, 52,000 psychological level. Then we can expect bigger momentum in Bank Nifty towards the upside. So this is a range where we need to avoid trade, but once market tests this range and gives a breakout, looking for call is better. If it moves towards the downside, retest breaks this level, looking for put option is better. Avoiding trade within this range would be the best idea. That too, tomorrow is monthly expiry. If you get trapped within this area throughout the day, you would see a lot of premium decay. So this is about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Nifty 5 minutes time frame. On this chart, you can see continuously this area is acting as a resistance and the 0.236 level, which we discussed yesterday, is acting as a strong supporting zone. Now during the closing hours, there was continuous sell-off in Nifty. In the recent time, you can see Nifty has been continuously moving towards the upside. Now it is trading in a range. Tomorrow, let's say Nifty opened flat or gap down and it started to move towards the downside. A very important supporting area will be 24,785 level. This is little below 236 level of Fibonacci. Now within this zone, in case market starts moving towards the upside, rather than looking for call option trade, it is better that we wait for some time, because entering call option trade at the support and expecting market to move towards the upside, the chances of this happening is very low. Instead of that, if market moves towards the downside, retest, breaks the day's low again, goes below 24,785, and with small stop loss above 0.236 level, we will plan for a put option trade where our next target will be 24,700 and later we'll be looking at 24,600 level. Now, some time back, I was speaking about interest rate cut. Before any positive news, market might create some space and move towards the downside so that the next day when market opens, it has more space to move towards the upside. Maybe it will open with gap up, start moving towards the upside, remove all the people who have entered put option trade. So that kind of move is something that we are going to expect for tomorrow. Many experts are saying that in the month of August, there is 50% chance that Fed chairman is going to cut the interest rate by at least 0.25%. If not August, for September, at least they will cut 0.25% interest rate. When this announcement comes, if Fed chairman starts speaking positively about rate cuts, the market which has fallen on Wednesday, next day morning, it will start recovering. Fed chairman speech tomorrow is after our market hours. So many people would say there is uncertainty because of which market is falling. But once positive news comes, market has more potential to move towards the upside. So at this zone, rather than entering a call option trade, we will wait for a bearish setup and plan for a put option trade. In case market opens with gap up tomorrow between these levels, then it is better that we wait until 10 a.m. and try to understand the market sentiment. Based on that, we can decide what kind of opportunities we have that I'll be discussing in the private Telegram group. Now, in case market opens with extreme gap up and moves towards the upside above this area, there will not be any stop loss hunting, but a lot of call option writers are sitting at 25,000 level. So we will patiently wait. If there is an opportunity on the call option side with small stop loss, let market create space. Then if it is showing some bullishness, we'll be looking for call option trade with small stop loss, where our next target will be 75 to 100 points. The risk will be somewhere around 25 points. So this is the kind of setup I'll be looking for in Nifty tomorrow. In case my view changes, I'll keep you updated in the pre-market report in our free Telegram channel. You can join that group. It's absolutely free of cost, and live market update will be shared in the private Telegram group. Now traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, then share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.